Ready to ditch that bulky wallet and embrace the future of payments? Let's dive right into adding a card to your Apple Pay and unlock the magic of contactless payments in just a few simple steps. First, locate and tap on the wallet app icon on your iPhone. It looks like a white card with multicolored squares on it. Once you're in the wallet app, look for the plus sign, usually located at the top right corner of the screen, or in the middle. If you don't have any cards added yet, go ahead and tap that plus sign. Now you'll be presented with a choice: select debit or credit card to add your payment method. You can either use the camera to scan your card, which is the fastest way, or enter your card details manually. If you choose to scan, simply position your card within the frame on the screen and let your iPhone automatically capture the information. If you prefer to enter the details manually, tap Enter Card Details manually and fill in the required information, such as your card number, expiration date, and security code, also known as the CVV. Next, you'll be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. Take a moment to review them, and then tap Agree to proceed. Your bank will then verify your card. This usually involves receiving a text message with a verification code, or sometimes a phone call. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once your card is verified, you'll see it appear in your Apple Wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully added a card to Apple Pay. You can now use it for contactless payments in stores, online purchases, and within apps that support Apple Pay.